today we're in Yorkdale Mall. Everything here is high-end. You know, I'm gonna check out the Teslas, you know, cause that's... Yes, sir. Downtown, that's what I wanna hop in, that's what I wanna own, you know. So we're doing a little car shopping and we're gonna do some touring around the place, you know. Getting myself familiar with time here. Right here is Sports Check. So, we're gonna be going around some places and show you guys around, okay? Right here, you got the famous Tiffany & Co, you know. Alright, over there, you know, Chris them call it. That's Ralph Lawrence. Pull up with days, you see me? Right, you know, that's a name brand too, but we probably don't familiar with that one. Right here we have a Gucci Street. When it rains, it pours. Like Michael Mary.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
You know, not sushi. You know, not the fake, nothing fake. You know, you have to have your dollars to go in this. Let me check my credit card. I told me I'm it. But nobody thinks I'm rich yet. But I'm manifesting this, you know. Anyways, guys, we're passing by Foot Locker. Show them. Check the gym, you know, this fit check. You know, fit check on there.
Deal with the dogs that ain't gon' decide. All them
manifest these things.
Gotta watch the time, right. I'm out.
Here, and today I will be reviewing my first Tesla. So we're here, we're car shopping, we're here in the dealership. Right here, I'm just looking at Cybertruck right now. Cybertruck right here. Tell me this thing. Tell me this match my suit, you know? Oh, get the front. She wants it. I can ask. Right here, this is the Cybertruck. You know, one of the most hottest things on the scene, you know. Here is a monster on the road. How much is the Cybertruck? 138. 138. Nice. 138 Canadian dollars for the Cybertruck, you know. $138,000. I'm manifesting 138 Canadian dollars, yo. Uncle. Yeah, uncle. One day I'm gonna buy one of these, you know? I'm gonna be buying these. You gotta speak it into existence, you know? Manifesting it, uncle. Remember this day on January the 3rd? January the 3rd, 2025. You know? Catch me while I go in it. Catch me on the inside. Is this one of them? Is the Cybertruck selling well or not? Oh, yeah, go. Jamie, oh, you press this like a button. Push all the way down. Nice.
Boss.
Yeah, but you know, I'm just catching the inside.
Eventually, Jamie.
Look at him an interior tour. Right, this is the interior.
Make sure she doesn't.
This is me right here. This fit me. $138,000. You can watch YouTube on it?
On the theater button.
Oh, right here?
No.
Which one?
This one.
So cool, you know? Oh, let's search for my YouTube on this. Icon.
Bring up your channel.
Yeah, Icon Carter, go buy in Tesla soon. Alright.
No.
Jaja. It's my YouTube channel, the people. video.
Jamie.
Subscribe, people. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Ow, you're pulling my hair.
This is my channel. Hey.
YouTube channel?
Yeah.
You're lucky.
Are you you're a YouTuber?
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber.
Alright, okay.
I never met a YouTuber.
Yeah, I'm from Jamaica, you know?
I like you cars. You know what Barbados
Yeah, you
is?
could probably actually afford one then eventually.
Yeah, I'm gonna afford one. Say that again.
I like.
I will be affording one of these soon. Okay.
I like. That is so cool. I never met a YouTuber in real life.
Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Icon Carter.
My name's Jamie.
Nice, Jamie. Nice to meet you.
Have you been YouTubing for a long time?
I just started about 5 months ago, you know?
Mommy, come in.
Keep going at it.
Yeah, I'm really striving, you know? I'm gonna get my camera soon.
How many subscribers
You know?
do you
Be
have?
successful.
Yes. Thank you so much. Okay. And this baby right here, this is the one that I should be taking home, you know? This is 60,000 Canadian dollars, you know? It's really nice, you know? I love the exterior, it's so, you know, blood red, you know? Okay, so this one that's right behind me is 60,000 Canadian dollars, right? And I'm loving it, you know, I'm really loving the design, you know? So catch the interior. Really suits me, you know. God, I'm manifesting this. I'm manifesting this one right here. Really beautiful car, you know. So this is how the door opens. So
No, familia.
people are here. Around here, go out this. Catch full view of the car now. A nice car, really nice car. 50,000 Right now, I'm gonna give you guys an interior tour of this one right here. You know. But the interior is looking really nice. You know, we got a black exterior on the outside. This one is really fit. You know, it fits me. It suits me. It suits Icon Carter. You know, Icon Carter is gonna be owning a Tesla soon. You know, I have great dreams. You know, even though we might doubt ourselves sometime, as you know. Let me get the sound down for a bit. You know, even though we doubt ourselves sometimes as people from the Caribbean, one day, eventually, in God's timing, everything will fall into place, you know? And I'm keeping myself up, you know, motivating myself, that hopefully one day I will be able to do things that are, you know what, do things that I imagine. You know, I would love to accomplish dreams. Like, look at this. Look at this. This is the end of my car tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was really a pleasure for me seeing this car, you know, because we always seen them on the phone. You know, we only see Teslas in Jamaica, maybe. You know, one or few. You know, because it's getting really late, you know. And it's so sad that I have to go leave this really loving these Christmas trees, you know, the ambience of this place is really good, I tell you. North York is really nice, you know. I'm really tired right now, as you can see. Been walking for about 2 hours. You know, I'm really glad that I came here. And just love it, you know. Make sure you don't visit this mall when you come to Toronto. So it's North York. It's not yard, right? Not yard, man.
Yorkdale.
Yorkdale. Yorkdale, man. Sorry, boy. Yorkdale, man.